Hey there, Pablo. It's Marcy here with the video I said I was going to record for you. Now, you actually came up, oddly enough, my search today was for flooring, and I was, looking through the market of flooring companies, but in the map section, your business did show up, and that's why I gave you a call. So, what I do, in these videos is I help to just educate business owners on how it is that one site's ranking above another. I usually share with them 3 factors that have carry the most weight in this. So once I saw that you weren't start digging in, pulled up your site, and you're not necessarily in the flooring but in the carpet repair, then I did search for carpet repair, and hats off to you, like your rankings are good. So I thought I'd just for interest's sake here, I'll kind of show you what goes on behind the scenes and help you to understand why it is that you're doing so good. The 3 things that I will talk about is content, citations, and backlinks. So content and your site, much like all the rest of them, doesn't really have as much as Google would like, but the nice thing is that neither is anybody else. So that's why you're not really having any issues with it. But they like to see about 1,000 to 1,500. And I guess that this is, I'm assuming here as we go into here, I mean, I shouldn't assume, maybe this is all yours, or maybe the curly carpet repair is a franchise. I'm not sure. So, anyways, back to the content. So Google likes to see 1,000 to 1,500 words of content because they like to keep people on their search engines. That's how they make their money. So when somebody puts something into the search bar, they want to serve up the most relevant results. If anybody was to, sort of come into the market and do the full optimization, then you'd want to keep your eye out for them, because they would eventually overtake you, right? If there's 2 sites, one that has a couple hundred words and one that's got 1,500, Google's going to see the one with the 1,500 words as being the expert on what it is that they do, right? And it'll be one of the factors. It's not the only factor. So then I'm going to go into backlinks. What a backlink is when a link from a third-party site is coming into your site. The internet's like a big popularity contest, so when other sites vote for you, or aka give you a link back to their site, to your site, it in turn moves your site up in the search engines. So we take a look at, this was the second one, as I said, in the search that I did. You are number 1. And then it was just number 2. So who's on your heels there? So number 2 has 47, and not all links, when I say this about popularity contest and the more links, they're not all created equal. Some links carry a lot more weight. Relevancy plays a part. Links coming from, trusted sites from Google play a part. You don't want a bunch of spammy links. But so the carpet repairers only has 47 other websites on the internet linking back to his site. He's being found for 189 words, and he had 24 visitors to his website last month through his organic traffic, whereas you have 91 referring domains. You have 831 words Google's finding you for, and 159 visitors to your site. So again, good for you. It's not often when you find somebody that's got a site that's really taking advantage of all these things and showing up in all the places, because here you are in the maps as well. What this is called, as I said, the third thing I was going to talk about, this is a citation. Anywhere where your business name, address, and phone number is cited on the internet, called a citation. So the maps listing's a citation, 411, yellow pages, all the directories. As I say, the more places that you're found, then it's going to help to push you up in the rankings for this. So you must have a pretty strong citation profile as well. You're listed in many places. So that's what I do. Is help people to understand. I just go out and educate. Some people need me, some people don't. It doesn't look like you do, Pablo. It looks like you're probably busy as you can be, but if you ever did have any of these type of needs, website building, etc., anything that you want to know, or just come across any business owners that you feel do need it, please feel free to send them my way. So hope you're having a good day, Pablo. Thanks for taking my call and taking the time to watch this video.